are broke and dreaming of making big money in 2025, then I have some good news for you. Yes, it can happen. You can make it happen. Some businesses need a lot of investment to start, but I will share some businesses that don't need a money or a little investment and you can start earning easily. So stick around and I'll share 6 business ideas so you can start making money. Business number 1 is Faceless YouTube channel. First on the list is Faceless YouTube channel. Yes, no need to show your face or even your voice. You can simply start a Faceless YouTube channel. Now, everything can be outsourced. So you can outsource video editing, scripting, voiceover, and also you can take help of AI tools. So you can start a fully automated YouTube channel. Here are 50 faceless YouTube channel ideas and niches you can try. Let me tell you about Noah Morris, who is 20 years old, and in this age, he has made multiple faceless channels and now he's earning $2 million a year. Here is how you can start. Pick a niche that's in demand. Finance tip, even animated kids content. Now, second is write engaging script. Don't worry, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help with that. Third is use platform like InVideo.ai, Pictree to create your videos. Consistency is key. Post 4 videos per week and then you can easily get monetized, and then whatever earning is coming, you can reinvest in your business. Business number 2 is Amazon affiliate product reels. Next is earning through Amazon affiliate on Instagram by posting reels. This is absolutely a gold mine. Here you can see how these Instagram channels are growing and how much followers they do have, and you can see how much views they are getting in their reels. They are getting millions of views. So now you can think how they are making money through Amazon affiliate. Here is how it works. Firstly, you have to go to Alibaba or Telegram groups and you have to find gadget videos, and then you have to make a collection of it. And then you have to post it on Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, and other social media as well. In the caption, you have to write, if you want to buy this product, you can check the link in bio. And then you can drive traffic to your affiliate link and earn commission via your link. Now, here you can do 2 things. If you can spend a little money, then you have to buy a domain and hosting. And then via Elementor Pro, you have to install a plugin called Elementor Pro. Then you have to upload Amazon product pictures in your homepage. And then you have to share your affiliate link. User will come to your Instagram profile via Reels. Then when the user will click on link in bio, after that the user will be redirected to the website. And then when the user will click in the product link, he will automatically land to Amazon website. So in this manner, you can earn through Amazon Associates. And if you do not have money and you cannot spend money, so don't worry. You can simply do this method in site.google. So here you have to do a little hard work. All you have to do is you have to collect everything and then you have to upload it here. And then whatever you have done in Hostinger, the same thing you have to do here. And you have to give the site.google.link in your Instagram. See, if you are really serious about it, please do buy a hosting and a domain because it looks more professional. Business number 3 is promoting ClickBank's product via Instagram Reels. ClickBank is a master place where you can find products to promote, supplements, weight loss, and many other digital products. It's a simple strategy you have to apply. First, if you're a complete beginner, then you have to sign up to clickbank.com and then you have to select a product. Once your niche is selected, you have to use ChatGPT and you have to generate something like what is type 2 diabetes and how you can shrink your prostate. And then you can ask the ChatGPT to kindly give a script of 30 seconds and he will automatically generate a script of 30 seconds and will answer all these questions. And then you have to share the prompt to InVideo.ai and then your reel is ready to post. Once you will start posting the reels in Instagram, YouTube, and even Twitter as well, you are going to attract a lot of followers, and at the end of the video you have to write, for more information click in bio. Business idea number 4 is selling digital products. This is one of the most scalable and one of the most profitable business you can start with no money. First you have to do is you have to choose the digital product. It can be your ebooks, templates, calendar, productivity planner, courses, graphic design bundles. Once your digital product is selected, see here you can create a digital product or you can easily buy a digital product through Etsy. Some products do have resale rights, so you can buy those products and you can resell it. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy or Shopify to sell your products. For designing, you can use Canva. For outsourcing all the tasks, you can use Fiverr. For content creation, you can use ChatGPT. Promote your digital product on social media. You can promote your product in Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and Twitter as well. Once you create a digital product, it can generate a passive income. Business number 5 is Amazon KDP. Finally, let's talk about Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Without even having a writing experience, you can promote ebooks, coloring books, journal, planner, and many more things. Here is how you can start. Find a niche with a demand. Firstly, you have to find a niche which is high in demand. You can think of self-help books, educational books, kids books, coloring books, and many other things. Like use AI tool like ChatGPT to generate a coloring book. You can use Canva to design book cover. Now you have to upload your book to Amazon KDP and set the price. Once your product is live, Amazon will take care of everything like printing, publishing, shipping, customer care, and all the product related issues. And then you can start your passive income. For this, you have to do extra effort. What you have to do is you have to promote your ebook via social media platforms. Like you can promote your ebooks in Pinterest, you can create reels in Instagram, and even you can use Twitter and YouTube as well. Business idea number 6 is animated kids YouTube channel. This channel is generating a huge income when I have checked this in Social Blade. So you can also make these type of YouTube channels and you can also start your earning. For this, you need 2 things, Canva and ChatGPT. So these are 5 business ideas you can start in 2025. Remember, success didn't happen overnight. All you have to do is hard work. So start small, be consistent, and then don't forget to scale it up. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and hit subscribe button so you can never miss my video. And see you in next video. Bye bye.